Hello everyone, I'm Karen Dangola from Di Jones and I want to welcome you to this sensational home. You know, single level properties are a rare find in this current market and they don't hang around for very long. Rarer still is to find one that is as beautifully appointed as this. It sits on a sun-drenched Northerly Aspect 903 square metre block and it's just a very short stroll to the local amenities. Boasting stunning inclusions throughout, a beautiful alfresco dining area, multiple living spaces for the whole family, and of course, that stunning in-ground pool. Not surprisingly, Glenhaven is one of those beautiful locations that everyone falls in love with. And this particular location is in easy access to everything that you could possibly want. Just a short walk down to Knightsbridge Shops and Gilbert School, and also really well located for city buses and all the local transport, including the new metro. So come and join me at the upcoming open home, or if that doesn't suit, give me a call and we'll see if we can arrange something. Whatever you do, don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. I'm Karen Dangola, now proudly representing Di Jones throughout the hills, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Take care.